Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today I will be showing you guys all of my nail products. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell button and tune in for more videos. So guys, I'm going to start off with my gel polishes. I'm gonna open it so I can show you guys the colors. Yeah, this is the summer colors. I don't know if you guys can see that, but those are cute. Those are some cute colors. Here's the other one. If I could ever get it open. This is the spring set, y'all. These are cute. I also have two big boxes of these colors. Now this is the big box that I got it on. They come in little rolls like this. And it has like a lot of different colors. If y'all can see those colors, like it come with a lot of cute colors. Also got these cute chocolate colors. And those right there are the activators, the base, the top, and the matte top. And also I have another box. Wait. I have another box. So I'm finna show you guys those colors. Got those colors. That color. And I got one more row to show you guys. These are like some chocolate colors. And blues and purples and then some oranges. So those are all of my gel polishes. Moving on into my acrylic powders. So I have this Cover Nude Blush Acrylic Powder by Mia Secret. And just a second, guys. I have the clear acrylic powder. The pink acrylic powder. It's not really pink, but it's like a clear pink. And I have the white acrylic powder, French 3D, all by Mia Secret. Next, I will be showing you guys my liquid monomer. That's by Mia Secret. Mia Secret Nail Prep. This right here is honey cuticle oil that we order off of Amazon. I don't know if you guys can see that. And this right here is primer. The other thing that I showed you was dehydration, but this is the primer. Also, I have a nail clipper. These right here are nail brushes by Beetles. My parents also just brought me these. Y'all, these are so pretty. Like, let me show you guys these. They are so cute. just bear with me in these nails here. Y'all, okay, so let me show you guys. These are so pretty, you guys. Like, they are nail art liner brushes. So, and then I told you guys I have these. I also have a lot of followers. These not even all of them. The rest of them in the jar. But yeah, I have those. I have 2 of those, these little brushes to knock off dust. These right here are my cuticle pushers. I don't know if you guys can see that well, but these are my cuticle pushers. This is the glue, the brand of glue. I have 10 of these right here. I ordered a bundle pack off Amazon. Katie's glue. I use this glue. This is my gel polish nail lamp. You guys can see that. Okay, moving on into, okay, I also have a buffer. These right here are rhinestones. I have different size of holographic rhinestones. This is my nail brush. I have a size 12 nail brush. I also have these tips. I have all kind of tips. I have these clear tips, Brat Box. I ordered them off Amazon. These right here are just clear regular nails, like, but they curve, extra long curve. And these right here are my other tips, same brand, Brat Box. I also have these little nail hands. Don't mind these other 2, but I be practicing on them. These are just more nail tips. More nail tips. I also have acetone. Use this to soak off nails. I also have, matter of fact, I'm about to go through all my accessories that I have for nails. So these are my butterflies. I don't know if you guys can see that pretty good, but these are my butterflies. I also have glitter powders. These right here are gold rhinestones. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hold on. Just a second. I'm going to open it up for you guys. I have scissors up here, so you guys can see. So, y'all, these are bomb. Like, look at these gold rhinestones and these. And I also have these rhinestones. This is part of my Valentine's Day gifts. I have these. Well, these not rhinestones, but they're like little glitters that can go inside of your nails. Have these. So, guys, the glitters that I got were the little nail arts that I got were these little fruit things. I also have, well, I got more butterflies. I think these different colors from the other butterflies that I got, because the other ones didn't have black. These right here are alphabet glitters. I don't know if you guys can see that well. These are nail foils. I also have, these are stars. And more nail foils. Also, These are silver, different like little stencils. Got butterflies, an umbrella, all kind of stuff. And this the same thing. It's just that these are the white holographic ones. Oh, you got Mickey Mouse in here. Y'all see that? Got Mickey Mouse. And these butterfly nail foils. Let me see if I can open it for you guys. Let me just show y'all. This how it look. Because I can't open it. And what else? What else? Oh, these right here are clear coffin nail tips. Oh, and I also have these, just like the gold ones. They by the same brand, just a different color. Rhinestones. And I have these nail stencil dried out flowers by Beatles. And I also have some more nail tips. These little short pointy nail tips. Those are in there. And also have my nail filing kit. And I think I showed you guys everything. Oh, wait. I didn't show you guys these, I don't think I showed you guys these. So, these right here are more nail foils. Y'all, these are so cute. Like, these are beyond cute. And here's another box of nail foils. Ooh, look at these galaxy colors. Like, this is so pretty. I don't know if guys, y'all can see that pretty good. But yeah. Okay, so guys, I showed you guys everything that is inside of my nail drawers. So this concludes today's video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and tune in for more videos. Make sure you hit that like button. And I hope you guys enjoy y'all weekend. Bye.